In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload a course in Thinkific. To get started, open Thinkific and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the admin dashboard, which is the main control center for managing your content, students, and course settings. From here, look for the products section and click into it. Then select courses. This is where all of your existing courses live, and it's also where you'll create a brand new one. Next, click the New Course button. Thinkific will give you a couple of options for how you want to begin. You can choose a blank course if you want to build everything from scratch, which is a great option if you already know how you want your course to be structured. Or if you want a faster starting point, you can use the AI course outline generator to help create a basic framework for you. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. After that, enter your course title and create the course. Your title should be clear and specific so it's easy for students to understand what the course is about. Once the course is created, you'll be taken into the course builder where you can begin setting up the structure and adding your material. Now open the curriculum tab. This is where you'll organize the content of your course. Think of your curriculum as the learning path your students will follow. To begin organizing it, click Add Chapter. Chapters help break your course into sections, which makes everything easier to navigate for both you and your students. You can use chapters for modules, weeks, topics, or any format that makes sense for your content. Under a chapter, click Add Lesson. Thinkific gives you several lesson types to choose from, including video, text, PDF, quiz, and download. The lesson type you choose should match the kind of content you're delivering. For example, video lessons work well for demonstrations and lectures. Text lessons are useful for written explanations, quizzes can check understanding, and downloads are helpful when you want students to access worksheets or resources offline. Once you've selected the lesson type, enter a lesson title and click Save. Make your lesson title descriptive so students know exactly what they'll be opening. Clear naming also helps keep your course builder organized as your content grows. After saving, open the lesson you just created. This is where you'll add the actual course content. Click Upload File or use the Content Uploader if that option is available in your view. Then drag and drop your files into the upload area or browse your computer and select them manually. This could include video files, PDFs, downloadable resources, or other supported materials depending on the lesson type you chose. Once your files are uploading, wait for the upload to finish completely. This is important because larger files, especially videos, may take a little longer to process. It's a good idea to avoid closing the page too early so nothing gets interrupted. When the upload is done, add any lesson description or additional content you want students to see. This is a great place to include brief instructions, key takeaways, or context that helps learners understand how to use the material. Even a short description can make the lesson feel more polished and easier to follow. Then click Save Lesson to make sure all your changes are stored. From there, repeat the same process to add more lessons and chapters until your full course outline is complete. As you build, try to keep your structure consistent so the student experience feels smooth from one lesson to the next. When you're finished adding content, customize your course settings, pricing, and landing page as needed. This step helps prepare the course for students by making sure the presentation, enrollment details, and sales information match your goals. Finally, click Publish to make your course available to students, and that's how to create and upload a course in Thinkific from start to finish.